You found a ball? How you feeling, Kaylin?
It was good.
Not good?
No, a little bit.
Mason, what are all these things? What are all these things? Lots of sporting things. Let's go see. Let's go see. Mason, what is all these things? Is it Easter? What, did you find an Easter egg?
Easter. It's today. Easter.
How you feeling, dude?
Good.
Not feeling very good today. There's lots of Easter eggs, Mason. Wow. What are all those things, Mason? What are all those things? Did the Easter Bunny come to our house? Did the Easter Bunny come?
No.
Mason,
What's
there's
inside
so many
here?
things to look at, Mace.
What's inside this one?
I don't know.
What
is
do
in
you
there?
think it is?
Oh, it looks like you found some eggs.
No, it's this. I don't know what it means.
Oh, tricky. What's that, Mason?
And there's things inside that.
What is that, a bug net?
Oh.
Wow. What is this, Mason? What did you find? Is it a boat? Oh my goodness.
Here's mine.
A boat?
That's Mason's.
Wow, Mason. Now let's look at the baby toy. Wow, look at all these things, Mace. What else can you see? There's so many things.
I see more eggs.
There's so many things.
I'll go get them. I want more
What's
eggs,
that,
more
Mason?
eggs, more eggs.
What is that? Let's take a look at that. What that is.
Ooh.
You gonna help Kaylin find some eggs? Mason's gonna find some? Go find them all. Mason wants to find some eggs. Okay, Kaylin, I don't want you to running around, okay?